You want to do a prank on me? Why? Me in school.
I will take one more.
Me in school, we told.
My neck, my back, so butter brown. My neck, my back, my back, my back. My neck, my back, so butter brown. Oh my, oh my, oh my, my neck, my back, my back, my neck, my back, my back, my neck, my back, my back, my neck, my back, my back. my neck, my back, skirt kings down, my neck, my back, my back.
Black girl, if you're black girl, if you're black girl, if you're black.
What kind of what? Golf? Yeah. Like sugar.
No.
Well, why
I thought this nigga said, oh.
What the fuck she talking about?
Y'all done making me chug my drink.
It gone. No, yeah, no, I knew what you were talking about, G. When she threw me out, somebody arm.
It's just a white owl.
Y'all use.
I used to use game, but just white owl.
White owl
It's
better.
not that crazy.
I like game better. Cause
Nah.
it's easy to roll.
But white game be having too many stems.
Shit me.
Yes, it do, bro.
Shit me. I be using them. I personally.
You can't roll no more.
Cool.
Boy.
Who? But add about me.
Crazy as fuck.
Damn, man. Coming out.
Alright, let's go.
All right, let's go. See a shot, take a shot. Let me take one more shot. Ooh, me in school.
Might well take one more.
Me in school, we told up.
Take one more. I'm gonna kill it after you.
You kill it. Golly, y'all. So we made it to the concert. I was not able to talk to y'all anything, but I'm gonna be vlogging off my phone, so I'm gonna see y'all in the concert. Y'all, today drained me, literally. I love Lil Boosie, have been listening to his music since I was like damn near a kid. Gorilla, I love her. Glorilla, I love her. She did a good job. She had her dancers, y'all saw basically. But Alabama State University, that is my alma mater, but they gotta get their shit together, okay? That was crazy, okay? Like, I'm never going to any more concerts here in my city, ever, okay? Ever. If it's not out of town, miss me with it. Please, save me the drama, save me the unorganization. It's not even a word, or is it? So I'm just trying to see if I want to go back outside and have some fun because it's still homecoming weekend. That's the whole point of this weekend, y'all, is Alabama State homecoming weekend. Alabama State, Alabama State. So I am trying to get right, honey, because listen. So once I make a decision, I'm going to tap back in with y'all. Sorry I didn't even get a chance to start off this vlog how I normally do, saying what's up to y'all. So what's up? I just kind of started off by pouring up a shot. And sometimes it be like that, okay? We just have to get in where we fit in and jump right into it sometimes. So yeah. And today's Friday, by the way, y'all. So happy Friday. My voice sounds so raspy and so yeah. It's because my sinuses are going crazy. Let's get into the makeup real quick. Pause. The face. Oh, bless me. The face is still facing. Like literally my makeup has literally melted. Let's just jump into the face because my face is sitting, okay? I don't know if it's these lights in this bathroom or I did my big one on my face, but it looks so good. The Charlotte Tilbury goes crazy. If y'all have not tried it, try it out. And this is why I don't like wearing eyeliner, but it actually doesn't look bad. It just kind of looks like it's smudged at this point. But my face is giving what it's supposed to. I may change my top if I do decide to go out because I want something a little bit more sexy. I'm gonna let y'all know what we decide to do. I'm gonna talk to y'all. Thank you, baby. No, I know I probably really am. You probably dead ass.
Nah.
With my big ass dookie braid.
I'll do anything for you, baby.
Look at my big dookie braid.
Let me see. I can't really tell from this far. So I can see that shit.
Hump head ass.
Babe, how about you just take it out?
I'm gonna see how it look once it's curled.
Why is you straightening it if you finna curl it?
Because I want like looser curls.
That shit don't make no goddamn sense.
I'm tender-headed a little, I guess, child.
A little. Ain't no little, ain't nothing little about that.
I like to see you get your damn hair done.
I ain't tender-headed. I'm gonna slap the shit out of you by doing my goddamn hair.
My mama did too. Hit me on the hand with the comb and all type of. Once I put my curls in, I'm gonna see what it gives. That's when I'm like, okay, let me curl my hair. And then won't have to do this shit in the morning either. And I wanna use my new curling liner.
What's supposed to be special about it?
It's just supposed to give you like the prettiest, longest lasting curls. We're gonna see though, but I feel like all my hair, as long as it's body wave, it'll hold a good curl anyway, so I'm like, alright. Let's see how that looks. It's cute. It's a curl. But my other flat irons, they be squeaking and shit. I done had them a long time. Babe, you got your clothes out? Get your whistle out. Don't forget your whistle this time. Because just in case you fuck up tomorrow, you're going to say, see, today I got my whistle. Okay? We're making progress. Just in case you have to pull one of them. Oh, shit. And God's still working on me. Shit. And he is, period.
Damn,
Thank you, baby. You want to do a prank on me? Why? Man, I might need to go.
I told you. I don't know why you keep on.
It's like pretty hump head. Babe, so what should I do? You gonna help me take it out? Here, come take it out for me, babe. Baby, come here, because I'm not gonna take my whole wig off. Yeah, I feel like I'm hungry, but I don't really know.
Babe, you ain't hungry.
You don't think so?
No. You just being long-eyed.
Beep man, if you wanna reach me. Beep man, if you wanna reach me. Got a reputation for yourself now. Everybody knows and I feel left out. Girl, you got me down, you got me stressed out. 'Cause ever since